Hello and welcome to the Fem Unfiltered Podcast. I'm so excited to have you here today. We're actually going to dive into how to create a very prosperous vision board. So, one that actually works and kicks butt. Because we're going to kick butt next year, right, guys? Hell yeah. So, first things first, we're going to work on the back end of things. You're going to open up a Google Docs and title it Vision Board. So, whether this is for the entire year of 2023 or 6 months, 3 months, whatever your preference is, this video is truly timeless. You can use it at any point of your life, and it can really help you to obtain whatever goals you want to reach in your life. Now, I want you to think really hard on what exactly you want to change in your life or grow into, whatever that may be. I'm going to give you an example. I decided to choose to target spirituality, wealth, health, travel, and personal goals. So for me, that's something I really want to focus on in the next year. So I want you to write out 5 or 6 things that you want to transform in your life. And after that, you're going to dive even deeper. So for personal goals, I wrote publish a book, create music, working on my painting collection, keeping up with the podcast. So these are things that I really, really want to dive deep in. And whatever that looks like for you, write that out just so you have an idea of it and it's written down. And it makes it so much easier to actually visualize this goal. Now, to take things even a step further, you might want to add in some inspirational quotes inside of your vision board. That's always, it's like listening to a positive affirmations in the morning, but you're reading it just to have that friendly reminder, that little pick me up on the days that are not so easy, to know that, hey, we set these goals and we're going to kick butt and we're going to get these goals done. And a few examples of that are, for me, my personal goal is to publish a book. So let's reach for the fucking moon, you guys. I'm gonna put, I am a best-selling author. So whatever you want to obtain, let's take it even a step higher than that. Let's elevate and let's really shoot for the moon. And if we fall amongst the stars, right? So I'm just gonna tell myself I'm a best-selling author. Hell yeah. My song went viral whenever I made music. All of my paintings were sold. My podcast hit 1 million subscribers. So whatever that is, just let that ignite even higher, and it'll help set positive intentions into your mind and really help your self-conscious soak in all this positivity and this positive vibrations that you're on. Okay, and so once you guys have finished the affirmations and your topics, you're gonna swap on over to Pinterest and we're gonna look for some inspirational photos. And sometimes it's kind of hard to find them. So in my Google Docs, I actually wrote things that make me feel happy. I wrote matcha, pink, the color pink, romance, walks, Chanel, things that just bring me happiness whenever I have a thought of it. Bunnies, whatever the heck it is. Maybe that'll help you visualize it. It'll make finding the photos a little bit easier. So that's a little tip for you guys. Okay, so now we're going to create a Pinterest board. So I'm just going to name mine Vision Board 2023 and hit create and start my Pinterest board. Right now I decided to choose to focus on spirituality, so I chose a photo that has a candle and dim lighting. So whatever that looks like for you, you're just going to add to that Pinterest board. This part of the process does take a while, you guys, so take your time. If you need to go one category at a time throughout the day, take your time. It's worth it. You're investing in yourself. You're worth every second of the day. Look up your inspirational quotes, whichever ones really gravitate to you, add those to your vision board, and really collect any photos that are really speaking to you. That even even photos that make you feel jealous. If you feel jealous towards something, it might be because it's something that you feel is not in your reach. So add that into the vision board. There's no room for jealousy here, you guys. Let's add it in and let's elevate and get it, kick some booty in the next year. I decided to add in some glittery money into my vision board, some pink glittery money to be specific, because hell yeah, this money is obtained by this badass beep. So, whenever I was looking up this self love part, it's kind of hard to find photos that represent self love, but type in, maybe sometimes you need to type in like self love art, and I did that and I actually found beautiful drawings and I was able to add that into it. So, might be a little tricky looking for the image that you need, but a little wordplay and you'll get there. Now that you've gotten all your photos, you can look through your vision board. So take a look at the photos that I gathered in my vision board. I have a lot of love in New York, very specific. I have a picture of a girl recording a podcast. I have photos of books, a girl laying down in her New York apartment, a variety of beautiful juices, gym aesthetic, super visual. And you're going to feel so excited whenever you see your vision board come to life. It's going to give you this rush of adrenaline to get started, you guys. Now select the photos that you would like to use for your vision board and download those down to your computer or whatever device you're using. And we're going to use it in the next step. Hop on over to Canva and we're going to create this digital vision board because I personally use my vision board as my screensaver, so it's like a friendly reminder whenever I wake up in the morning and I open up my MacBook. I'm reminded, oh hey, these are the goals. So you can actually search through the templates in Canva and there's a variety of options of vision boards. And at this point we're going to select the photos that we chose from Pinterest and we're going to pull them up, download them into Canva so that we can, get a little creative and see which ones are fitting and bringing this vision board to life. Feel free to play around with the fonts, adjust your images. I chose a vibrant neon looking font for the vision board title. And you can change the background however you want it. This is your time to be creative. Now, I do have a little bonus for you guys if you've made it this far. If you have a habit that's just really hard to master, I actually made mini vision boards for those habits. So for me, it's the morning routine and a night routine. I don't know what it is, but it takes me forever to get up in the morning. So I created these vision boards to actually really, really, really make it a ritual when I wake up in the morning to get up, stretch, make some tea, whatever that looks like for you, and really master that. So if you guys have a habit that you really want to focus on, I highly suggest making like a mini vision board for it. I think it will really help you and really help you target and focus on whatever it is you're trying to master. Now let's see the final results. All the hard work is over. Just look at your beautifully aesthetically pleasing vision board. So beautiful. I know it's going to get you in the most positive mindset it possibly can. And don't forget to look back at your affirmations just to keep you motivated. I'm so glad that we did this together, and I really hope that this video helps you create the vision board so that you can kick butt. You can kick butt in the following year. And if you like this video, please let me know. And feel free to like and subscribe. Have a great one. Stay beautiful.